In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a border to a video frame in Google Vids. So first is open up your project in Google Vids and click on the video clip you want to edit. This will bring up the editing options panel at the top. So here in this toolbar, look for these three options. So first is this pencil icon, then this 5 lines icon and this icon. These tools are basically for you to use to add and customize borders of your video. So this icon you can use to adjust the color of your border, and this icon is to adjust the weight or thickness of your border. And this one is for you to be able to choose a corner style or border style you want for your video. And with that, we have successfully added a border for our video. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you again on the next one.